Hello folks, a few weeks ago Samsung unveiled the Galaxy S24 series featuring several AI-powered features including real-time language translation during voice calls, note summarization, grammar assistance during messaging, and AI-powered image editing. Usually, some new features are released to existing Galaxy phones, but Samsung didn't reveal if those AI features would come to exist in high-end phones. Well, we now have some information on that though. According to Samsung's website, the Galaxy S23 Ultra will get some AI-powered features, including circle to search, live translation, note assist, and photo assist. The website says those features are coming soon, but it doesn't have any specific timeline. In a comparison table, Samsung hints that those AI-powered features aren't coming to the Galaxy S22 Ultra, Galaxy Flip 4, and the Galaxy Fold 4. It is likely that those AI features aren't coming to the Galaxy A34 and the Galaxy A54. Samsung could release those AI features to the Galaxy S23 series with the One UI 6.1 update. The South Korean firm had mentioned that the One UI 6.1 update will be released to compatible smartphones and tablets before the end of the first half of this year. Circle to search is a feature that lets you search for anything that matches the content on any part of the screen. It is powered by Google and is extremely similar to Google Lens, but it runs faster. That feature has been released to the Pixel 8 series a few days ago. Live translation allows real-time language translation during voice calls, and it can translate one language to another for callers on both sides of the call. The Note Assist feature can summarize text inside Samsung Notes and arrange it in easy-to-read templates. The Photo Assist feature uses AI to let you adjust the angle of images and fill the blank space with generative AI content to match the scene. It also lets you pick up objects in an image and adjust their location or size, and it also allows you to remove unwanted objects or people from the image. Samsung's newest flagship phones also come with many hardware improvements, including brighter screens, tougher bodies, faster performance, improved cameras, and longer battery life. However, there are a few minor issues with the camera on the Galaxy S24 series, and those issues will likely be resolved with software updates. When a Galaxy S24 user complained about the camera quality on Samsung's official forum, the forum moderator responsible for camera-related updates revealed that Samsung is continuously trying to optimize the camera and is taking feedback from users through various channels. They said that they would improve the camera performance with future software updates, and revealed that Samsung is focused on improving the color accuracy and three-dimensional effect with the Galaxy S24 series compared to previous generation Galaxy S series smartphones. Going by what users have been posting on the internet, the Galaxy S24 series seems to have improved compared to the Galaxy S23, but there are a few issues around noise and banding in the sky in low-light conditions, slight overexposure in daylight conditions, and lower dynamic range around certain light sources in low-light conditions. While Samsung didn't reveal when it will release a new software update to fix those issues, we can expect the first couple of software updates to include some camera-related updates. At least that's what Samsung's track record reveals. A teardown and review video of the Galaxy S24 Ultra has revealed that Samsung is using a newer 3D Sonic fingerprint reader in its latest flagship smartphone. The port number of the Galaxy S24 Ultra's ultrasonic fingerprint reader is QFS4008, while that of the S23 Ultra is QBT2608. While Qualcomm hasn't revealed much info about the differences between the two fingerprint reader models, they both appear to have the same size 8x8mm and 3D Sonic ultrasonic-based fingerprint readers. The review video by Wake Home reveals that there are indeed differences between the two fingerprint readers, and the newer one seems to perform faster. In multiple instances, the Galaxy S24 Ultra seems to unlock slightly faster than the Galaxy S23 Ultra. The whole Galaxy S24 series might be using this new sensor. It has been more than a couple of years since Qualcomm released its 3D Sonic Max fingerprint reader, which is much bigger and covers a bigger area than the 3D Sonic fingerprint reader used in the Galaxy S21 Ultra and later phones. However, Samsung hasn't used that fingerprint reader in any of its phones. We can hope that the South Korean firm uses the 3D Sonic Max fingerprint reader in the Galaxy S25 series. Anyway guys, I will keep you updated, so subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one, good luck to all.